What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be. Welcome to another episode of House Money, starring me, your host, Lakeith Fowler. Today, I want to talk to you about what is a loan origination fee, how does it work for you, and how does it work against you. Lakeith buys houses and land. If you did not know, if you're a wholesaler, if you're a bird dogger, if you're a realtor, if you own a brokerage, if you come in contact with off-market, even on-market properties, please call me. I got a number. That's area code 214-956-4289. I buy. Please get in contact with me. DM me, call me, get in contact with me any way you can, because Lakeith buys houses and land. Oh, that was off the dome. That was a freestyle. Don't try to steal that. Get in contact with me any way you can, because Lakeith buys houses and land. Oh, man. Okay, so let's get into it today. Loan origination fee. What is it? How it can work for you and how it can work against you. So if you did not know what a loan origination fee is, it is basically exactly what it sounds like. It is a fee you charge at the beginning origination of a loan. So you probably lend money to somebody you know once upon a time. Hey man, let me borrow $20. Okay, cool. I give it back to you Friday. Well, I'm not gonna go into the logistics of it, but you didn't charge a fee for your money. You might charge, hey man, give me $25 on the back end, but banks charge an origination fee because they want you to be vested into whatever it is that you want to have going on, basically, what you're originating a loan for in the first place. So they charge small fees. They call it points. 1 point is essentially the same as 1%, but I'll get into that here in a second. So a loan origination fee is exactly what it sounds like. It's an origination. It's a fee somebody charge you to lend you money. Long story short. So I broke down a little example of what I mean by that. So let's say I'm doing a new construction. I got one going up here in DeSoto. So everything as far as what it's going to cost me to build is going to be $220,000. So I got the lot. The lot's worth about 90. I got it for 60. So I did pretty good. All right. So I'm going to build this house. So I need a loan for $280,000. So 2%, because that's usually what my lender charges, 2 points or 2% to originate the loan, is going to cost me $5,600. So I have to come to closing with that and some other money. I want to get that straight. It's not just that. It's that along with whatever percentage of the loan that I have to come with as well. But we'll get into that another time. But 2% of 280 is 5,600. So when I say how you can get this to work for you or how you can get this to work against you, a lot of times you might be a wholesaler, you might be somebody that's looking to be an investor and may not understand, well, if they bought this house for $50,000 and they put $50,000 worth of work into it and they sold it for $150, then they made 50 grand. It's not that cut and dry. See, there are hidden fees that they don't tell you about. Loan origination fee is one of them. Title fees, taxes. So when you see that 50,000, you thinking that investor is coming into that full 50,000. They not at all. So you got to do your homework. So if you get ready to take a loan out with a bank, you want to make sure your fees are low, because that's where it starts. You don't want to start in a deal and be behind the 8-ball. You want to be in front of the money. So you got to watch for fees. So try to get a low fee wherever you can. So if you originate a loan, this loan here at 2%, 2 points, 5,600, but you see the difference in 2 points versus 1 point, because some people charge 1% on an origination of a loan. So wow, I just saved $2,800. You don't think about that, but that's a lot of money, especially when sometimes you got lenders charging 4%, depending on how savvy you are as a newbie investor or somebody coming into wholesale, leaving wholesaling and wanting to be just a new investor in any kind of way, shape, form, or fashion, whether you're investing one house and trying to live in it for forever, or you're doing this as a business, you got to watch the fees because they add up. And at the end of the day, we're here to get money. So that's what I'm here to show is basically how to get the most bang for your buck. People think it's all about getting the best deal. Sometimes it's some okay deals, but you can do things to make them a whole lot better. And watching the fees is one of them. Interest rates is another one. And I'll go into that on another time. But you should definitely watch some of my other videos on how to retire with the all-pro athlete contract in real estate. Lakeith's Mamba mentality. Now that's a really good one because it helps. It lets you know it's all numerically based. It's only so much time to do so much. So you want to make the best efforts and watch the fees of the time that you have. And I really go into great detail on how that works and how you can make that work for you. Feel free to go through any of my other videos. Hey, look, Lakeith buys houses and land. So I want to start something new, and I feel like I can do this everywhere. I just don't know how to as of yet, but I do know how to do it where I live. If you're a wholesaler and you aspire to be an investor and want to live off the interest and want to build a house, if you have a deal, let's make it real. Like, let's do it together. We figure it out together. I have the build. I have the bank connections. Let's put it all together. Give me a call. Lakeith buys houses and land. 214-956-4289. 214-956-I-BUY. Lakeith buys houses and land. I got a website. It's my name, Lakeith Fowler, www.lakeithfowler.com. Catch me on all my social media platforms. I got plenty of videos. I'm not hard to find. If you have a deal, please. I buy fire damage properties too, if you didn't know. So, we're going to watch these fees together and we're going to make sure we get the most bang for the buck. Hey, Lakeith buys houses and land. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.